Is it the right time to make a decision regarding MicroCloud Hologram stock? Today, we're going to take a deep dive into MicroCloud Hologram. Our initial report was released on our website on Friday, February 16, 2024. Now, we're excited to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. If you want to stay up to date with our latest analysis, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. You don't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since February 9, 2024, our system has ranked MicroCloud Hologram as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.00. Now, let's take a closer look at how this stock has performed during this period. Surprisingly, the stock has exceeded our expectations with an impressive gain of 211.55% since we first recommended buying MicroCloud Hologram just 6 days ago. This means that, on average, the stock has been delivering a daily return of 35.26% since it was listed as hold/accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system predicts high volatility and risk for the next trading day. Given the latest developments, it's difficult to determine the stock's next direction as it could go either way. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a possibility of a 24.18% change in the next 3 months. However, the potential return could range from -94.00% to 24.18%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a -16.89% change over the next year. The potential return in this case could be between -100% and 22.29%. This means that the price could range from $0 to $81.15 after 12 months. In today's update on MicroCloud Hologram, we have some exciting news. The stock price of MicroCloud Hologram Inc. experienced significant movements on Friday, with a 195.5% difference between the day's high and low. On the last trading day, which was Friday, the 16th of February 2024, MicroCloud Hologram Inc. witnessed a remarkable increase in stock price. It rose by 114.06%, going from $31 to $66.36. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $33.30 and a high of $98.40, showing a significant volatility. Over the past 2 weeks, the stock has gained an impressive 3,526.23%. Moreover, the trading volume also increased along with the price, indicating a positive technical sign. Compared to the previous day, 9 million more shares were traded, resulting in a total of 12 million shares being bought and sold for approximately $827.61 million. Let's take a look at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks. The highest price recorded during this period was $113, while the lowest price was $1.50. Currently, the stock is trading at a price 41.27% lower than its 52-week high, which amounts to $46.64. Additionally, it is 81.04% lower than its all-time high, which was reached on September 19, 2022. On that date, the stock price reached an impressive $350. Analysts have given MicroCloud Hologram stock a general rating of sell. They consider the PE ratio to be a strong buying opportunity, and the price-to-book ratio is also rated as a strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have assigned a rating of sell to the stock. Today, let's take a closer look at the signals for MicroCloud Hologram. The stock of MicroCloud Hologram Inc. is showing promising signs, with buy signals coming from both short and long-term moving averages. This indicates a positive forecast for the stock's performance. Additionally, there is a buy signal when we compare the short-term average to the long-term average. When the short-term average is above the long-term average, it suggests a good buying opportunity. If the stock experiences a drop, there will be some support at $30.07 and $8.41. However, if it breaks below these levels, sell signals will be issued. A buy signal was recently issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, February 6, 2024. Since then, the stock has risen an impressive 4,294.7%. This upward trend is expected to continue until a new top pivot is identified. Alongside this, there is also a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. The volume is increasing along with the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots also indicate a buy signal, 9 days ago. Bollinger shows a buy signal, 169 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal, 9 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a buy signal, 9 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages shows a buy signal, 9 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average indicates a buy signal, 9 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a buy signal, 9 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages shows a buy signal, 5 days ago. Make sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for MicroCloud Hologram. Please note that there is currently no support from accumulated volume below today's level for MicroCloud Hologram. This means that if certain conditions align, the stock may experience significant decline in the coming days. It's also important to consider the volatility of this stock. MicroCloud Hologram has a high level of volatility, meaning it can fluctuate greatly throughout the day. In fact, the Bollinger Band indicates a very large prediction interval, further confirming its classification as a very high-risk stock. To put it into perspective, in the last day alone, the stock had a price difference of $65.10 between its highest and lowest points, which is a significant 195.5% fluctuation. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 97.23%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for MicroCloud Hologram, let's first discuss some important fundamental data. One crucial piece of information is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is experiencing financial losses. It's not uncommon for even established companies to face downturns, often due to external factors beyond their control. However, if a company consistently maintains a negative PE ratio, it may suggest inadequate profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for March 12, 2024. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for MicroCloud Hologram. When analyzing the accumulated volume, we can see that there's no significant resistance above. This indicates that under the right conditions, the stock has the potential to move upward swiftly. If you decide to enter a position, it's important to monitor the volume to determine the appropriate time to exit. On the other hand, when looking at the accumulated volume, there's no significant support below. This means that the stock could potentially experience a sharp drop under certain conditions. If you're considering trading in this situation, it's crucial to proceed with caution. It's advisable to engage in such trades only if you have experience and know how to navigate these challenging scenarios. According to multiple analysts, the combined average rating for MicroCloud Hologram is sell. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On February 24, 2023, Wang Maggie made an insider purchase of 0 shares of ordinary shares with a par value of $0.0001. On February 24, 2023, Wang Maggie made another insider purchase of 0 shares of ordinary shares with a par value of $0.0001. On February 24, 2023, By Belief conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares of ordinary shares with a par value of $0.0001. On February 24, 2023, By Belief made another insider purchase of 0 shares of ordinary shares with a par value of $0.0001. Based on the 4 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of 0.000. Overall, insiders have purchased 0 shares and sold 0 shares in the last 4 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $64.17, which represents a decrease of 3.3%. This particular stock experiences significant daily movements, resulting in a higher level of risk. The RSI 14 indicator is currently at 85, further increasing the risk involved. However, there is a positive buy signal from a pivot bottom that was identified 8 days ago. Is MicroCloud Hologram stock a good buy? MicroCloud Hologram Inc. shows some positive signals, but they may not be enough to consider it a strong buy candidate. At the current level, it is more advisable to hold or accumulate this stock while waiting for further developments. We have slightly downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation, from a strong buy to a hold/accumulate candidate, due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture. After analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, February 20th, we anticipate that MicroCloud Hologram will open with a decrease of $0.340 and begin trading at $66.02. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. To make informed decisions, it's always advisable to consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It's crucial not to solely rely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept your own responsibility for your investment decisions. Welcome to our channel, Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing the current view of the stock market. We value your opinion, so please feel free to comment below and share your thoughts. We'd love to hear about your target for the stock as well. If you find this content helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more valuable insights. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day ahead.